Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter, up $1,040 on one trade on Roku. Let's dive right in. So, first move out of the gate, ignored it. Second move appeared and got right in. Actually, there was the buy signal, but I got right in here, which was just right after it. And went long here, and it was just basically 4 minutes later over here, I got my dollar right in there. And that was it. That was it done. Got the full dollar on that. It was actually done like that. Anyways, with 1,000 shares. Now, could have stayed in. You know, kept going up. The full move actually was. The full move was a $3.12 move, so there was a huge move in it if you wanted to stay in it to catch it. But I was out anyways. I made my money. Netflix this morning. What did it do? Yeah, so chop, and then you had you ignored the first kind of buy signal. There it is. There was a sell signal here. So if you had got in here, it would have been a kind of a false breakout. Maybe that down there is too low, so anywhere about 30 cents away from your EMA. But you know, when the candle starts to disappear, you would have been about 50 cents in the red on that when the arrows disappear and the whole thing is moving against you. But if you lose on a trade straight away, get right back in when the next setup appears on it. Not straight away, but like when the setup appears. So as you can see here, the next setup on Netflix, if you were to trade it, was a $3.74 move. So a nice big move on that as well. Even if you didn't hang on for that pullback, you could have just got in here at $2.97, which is almost $3. And it's kind of continuing on for the rest of the day now. Nvidia is just taken off now completely. No pullback. No time to have a look at it really. Broke 300. It's going to keep going. So we'll just see what happens someday with Nvidia. But I still don't really like it. And Beyond was kind of messy as well this morning. So there's your first move down. There's your move up. So Beyond, again, playing games. If you got in here, maybe a bit low, you probably have to, or a bit high, because that is 124.45 to 72. So let's say you did get in here. So you were treated to a 62-cent move there, 61 cent, which isn't great. So your pullback on that would have been 73 cents, and it would have rewarded you in the end with 81 cent. So not ideal. As you can see here, Beyond is range bound, but you know it's 1.11 to 1. So it's still keeping your P&L in a healthy shape, but just not ideal. There's no real place in there to make money in Beyond. And that's pretty much it, guys. Up $1,040, back tomorrow, and we'll see if there's any more in it. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one.